The adoption of prosthetics has witnessed steady growth in the last few years. Market is projected to cross $12.2 billion United States dollars by 2033. Majority of people suffer from limb or foot loss due to vascular diseases or due to some accident or injury. Major causes of amputations are diseases related to aging, such as diabetes causing gangrene, peripheral vascular disease and osteoarthritis. Increase in the number incidences of accidents is another core factor requiring orthopedic prosthetics as remedy. On an average, 185,000 amputations occur in the United States every year. TE&MC has designed a free short course that has all the basic information about the manufacturing and allied details required to start manufacturing business. Cost and durability are main issues affecting the adoption of prosthetics by amputees. Powered prostheses cost tens of thousands of dollars, while the less advanced average prosthetic device has a lifespan of only 3 years according to the National Limb Loss Information Center, Amputee Coalition, Manassas, VA, U.S. Thus, materials that can increase durability and/or reduce cost have opportunities at varied points along the product spectrum. According to the Digital Resource Foundation for the Orthotics and Prosthetics Community, there are approximately 31,000 prostheses sold per year. These facts point towards a dire need of new prosthetic fabrication units in the world. Awareness about using artificial limbs among individuals together with swelling disposable income in wealthy countries is expected to result in an increase in demand for prosthetics. This will further increase the sales of prosthetic products. The global prosthetics and orthotics market was valued at $8.64 billion United States dollars in 2022, growing at a CAGR of 4.64% from 2023 to 2032. This short course introduces the attendee to the basic concept of materials and processing techniques for manufacturing prosthetics from composites. Lecture number 2 is the heart of the course. In this lecture, students are introduced to various techniques used for carbon epoxy artificial limbs. These include tape laying, autoclave curing, waterjet machining, RTM, besides others. Qualification standards and procedures for medical use are also discussed during the course. Financial estimations for this very high-budget advanced technology project form part of the course content. The next portion of this video must be essentially viewed to get knowledge about the project, which has 3 facets. It is a high-cost and advanced technology project. It generates high level of profits. Third and most important fact is the service of humanity by catering to the needs of amputees. The figure in slide shows a comparison between the various candidate materials and native bone. Carbon epoxy composite most closely resembles native bone. A prosthesis that replaces a bone has to have a mechanical strength similar to the native bone. This means it should have very high specific strength. Carbon epoxy composites possess high tensile strength, a high compressive strength and fracture toughness that contribute to the superior qualities of this material. The specific strength of carbon epoxy composite is so high that it is possible to produce a prosthetic that has the same strength as a natural leg, but is 60% lighter at the same time. Thanks to this new material, carbon fiber prosthetics being produced have indeed become very light. In addition to a high strength, any material that is used in a prosthesis must be easy to clean, non-hygroscopic, resistant to corrosion and to bacterial and fungal infections. Accidental exposure of the skin to the prosthesis must not cause any harm. Brief description for manufacturing of prosthetics is flashed on the screen. Production is highly automated involving autoclaves, stamping, pressing and resin transfer molding. Tens of thousands of people all around the world live a better and more fulfilling life thanks to carbon composite prosthetics. The attendee will be able to start own manufacturing business while selecting a material for the production of prosthetics. Important web links related to Technology Education and Mentoring Center are flashed on the screen. Free guidance is available in advisory role for young entrepreneur by TE&MC.